Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our data without the degree arcade challenge ramp up second lab, that is finding data in Google Sheets. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous two labs. In दोनों lab का solution मैंने provide कर दिया है, that you can access by simply clicking on the I button on the top right corner. जैसे आप I button पे click करेंगे, आपको दोनों lab का solution मिल जाएगा. Okay, so without wasting time, start this lab, click on this and wait for the page to be loaded up. Once the page get loaded, click on the start lab button and wait for the credentials. एक बात का ध्यान रखना होता है कि हमारा पेज जो है पूरा लोड हो जाए, नहीं तो आप स्टार्ट लैब पे क्लिक करेंगे लेकिन लैब स्टार्ट ही नहीं होगी. राइट क्लिक ऑन द ओपन गूगल ड्राइव एंड ओपन इट इन प्राइवेट विंडो और इन इनकॉग्निटो मोड, अदरवाइज यू विल फेस सर्टेन इश्यूज एंड यू आर अवेयर दैट ईमेल आईडी विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली पेस्टेड. हमें सिर्फ पासवर्ड चाहिए होता है, तो क्लिक ऑन द नेक्स्ट बटन and come back to the lab for the password. Copy this password, come back to here, paste it here, click on the next button. Actually I copied the wrong password, copy it carefully, come back to here, paste it here, click on the next button, wait for it to get logged in, click on the I understand button. It's a welcome message. Once you get logged in, you will see automatically a file in your drive named as the On the Rise Bakery bulk order. So right click on it and open with Google Sheets, open it with Google Sheets, and we need to make changes in the sheet. So wait for the page to be loaded up. While our sheet is loading, simply come back to the lab, scroll down, keep scrolling, and keep scrolling to the task one, keep scrolling, and copy this formula from equals to the end. Equals to say हमें end तक पूरा copy करना है, copy it very carefully. Come back to here and click on this order date. Now paste the formula here in the FX section, paste it here and hit enter button. Now what you need to do, simply click on this new order button. Now here we need to paste another formula, so scroll down, keep scrolling and copy this formula, copy it very carefully. Come back to here, paste it in the last column number 8 actually, paste it here and copy this name George Menash. Right click on this and click on the copy button. Now simply come back to the bulk orders. Now come back to here and scroll down a little bit and copy this cell number, that is V101. Copy it very carefully, ध्यान से copy करेंगे. Come back to the sheet and make sure आपका B2 cell selected हो. Once you are on the B2 cell, click on this and rename it with the name that we copied, paste it here and hit enter button. Now after that, what we need to do, simply scroll down a little bit and you will see automatically a highlighted column. Right click on here, click on this paste special, click on the values only and you will see the name George Menos. Okay, now simply come back to here, scroll down, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick for the task number 1. Wait for a little bit. अगर आपको पहली बार में green tick ना मिले, then simply try 2 to 3 times, you will get the green tick. Now scroll down to the task 2. Now here we need to replace some names, so simply copy this muffin, copy it very carefully without any extra spacing or the commas. Come back to here. Here press Control plus F to search and click on this three dot icon for the more option. Paste the name that we copied, paste it here. Make sure you remove any extra spacing from the starting. Now come back to the lab once again and copy this blueberry muffin. Copy it very carefully. Last का में full stop copy नहीं करना है. Come back to here, paste it here. Click on the replace all and we visit a step. Simply click on the cancel button first. From the search, we need to select this sheet only. Okay. After that, click on the replace all button. Click on the done button, and we are done with this step also. So come back to the lab now. Scroll down a little bit. Copy this name, adjusted delivery date. Copy it very carefully. We need to create a new column with this name. So come back to here. Scroll down to the topmost row. Now here, click on this ith column. Paste the name that we copied here. Now select the second row. Come back to the lab. मेक श्योर आप बहुत ध्यान से ये लैब को कंप्लीट करें, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत, अगर आपको एक्सेल शीट की कुछ भी स्प्रेडशीट का कोई भी नॉलेज नहीं है तो आपको प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. कॉपी दिस होल फॉर्मूला वेरी केयरफुली, कम बैक टू हियर, पेस्ट इट हियर अंडर द फॉर्मूला सेक्शन हियर, पेस्ट इट हियर, हिट एंटर बटन. Now what we need to do, simply come back to the lab, scroll down, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick in this task number 2 also. You can see assessment is complete. Now scroll down, copy this name Georgia Nekosoi or whatever the pronunciation is. Now come back to here now and we need to paste it under the jth column. Paste it here, the name. After that, come back to the lab and copy this whole formula very carefully. कोई भी extra spacing नहीं होना चाहिए, इस बात का खास ध्यान रखना है. And we need to paste this formula into K2 column or the cell. So simply come back to here, click on the K2 cell, paste the formula here and hit enter button. After that, what we need to do, simply come back to the lab, scroll down a little bit, and you need to copy this discount name, copy it carefully, come back to here. So we just copied the name, that is discount. हमने ये वाला name copy किया query के अंदर discount. Come back to here, click on this. Let me remove it aside. We need to create a new spreadsheet actually. So click on this plus icon. Now click on this, and we need to rename it and paste the name that we copied, that is discount. Hit enter button. Now we need to paste this formula. Simply come back to here and copy this formula equals to the end. Copy it. Come back to here. Paste it under the shell or the actually cell and hit enter button. Now after that, come back to the lab, scroll down a little bit, and click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick in this task also, that is task number 3. Wait for it to get green tick. You can see assessment is completed. And I want to clarify one more thing. Simply come back to the bulk orders spreadsheet, and you will see a error in this for cell, that is did not find value in VLOOKUP valuation. Don't worry, मैंने मुझे भी लगा था कि एरर आ रही है, तो कोई एरर है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैंने इसे काफ़ी देर सही करने की कोशिश करी, पता चला कि इसके बिना ही हमारा टास्क पे ग्रीन टिक मिल जाएगा. तो अगर आपको एरर आ रही है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम की कोई बात नहीं है. नाउ ओके, सिंपली कम बैक टू द लैब, स्क्रॉल डाउन एंड कॉपी दिस नेम, दैट इज अलेक्जेंडर. कॉपी इट केयरफुली, कम बैक टू हियर एंड पेस्ट इट अंडर द J2 सेल. J2 सेल में हमें इसे पेस्ट करना है. Hit enter button or just simply come back to the lab, scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling and copy this formula. Copy it very carefully. स्टार्टिंग में मैंने गलती से एक्स्ट्रा स्पेसिंग कॉपी कर लिया है, तो मैं फिर से मुझे इसको कॉपी करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा स्पेसिंग हुई तो आपका पूरा फॉर्मूला एरर देगा. सो सिंपली कम बैक टू द लैब एंड नाउ वी नीड टू पेस्ट इट अंडर द K3 shell. K3 cell actually. Okay, so paste it here. You will see something record not found. Okay, now come back to here, copy this code function or the formula, copy it very carefully. ध्यान से कॉपी करेंगे. Come back to here and paste it under the K4 cell. Paste it here and you will see false. Now come back to here, scroll down, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick in the task number 4 also. And with this, our lab is completed. Congratulations. Click on the end lab button, click on the submit button, give the star rating if you want to give. Also, you can leave any additional comment if you want. Click on the submit button. Now come back to the main page to verify whether our lab is actually completed or not. जैसे ही हमारी lab complete actual में हो जाती है तो हमें green tick मिल जाता है lab के side. So scroll down, open the lab, you will see a green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed our lab. Okay, so this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.